have a document titled Affidavit.
Your Honor, I do.
On 28 April 2026, consisting of 12 numbered paragraphs. Do you recognize this document?
Your Honor, I do, and I do have it.
Whose affidavit is it?
This affidavit, Your Honor, is mine, Dr. Gikonyo.
Whose deponent's signature is on page 3 or 5 of that affidavit?
That signature, Your Honor, is mine, Dr. Gikonyo.
Do you wish to adopt the contents therein as your evidence in this matter?
Your Honor, I do.
Please tell the court whether you are acquainted with any party before these proceedings in a professional capacity.
I believe by the party you mean the respondents. Yes, I'm acquainted with my patient, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, whom I have taken care of. From my records, Your Honor, my hospital records that I do have with me, I have been a doctor to the said Honorable Rigathi Gachagua since, if I quote, 5:10 p.m. on the 10th of July 2006.
Okay. When and under what circumstances did you meet the first petitioner, if at all, during the period in issue and relevant to these proceedings?
I believe for the purpose of this issue, you are referring to his hospitalization at the current hospital, which again, from my records, handwritten notes, happened at 3:25 p.m. on the 17th of October 2024, Your Honor.
And what happened when you met him? What happened next?
Your Honor, the reason for his coming to hospital, he called to say he's on the way with chest pain, and we received him and acted accordingly.
From your experience and expertise as a cardiologist, what significance do such symptoms have?
Your Honor, you know, chest pain has two categorizations. There's chest pain that can occur if you are going to have a heart attack, medical terms called myocardial infarction. That, when you say you have chest pain in that category, we look at the possibilities of that being real. That's what we call the risk factors. And here's a man at his age.
My lord, my lady, with a very kind permission. With a very kind permission. I have listened to where the evidence, my lord, is headed. And in my very we appear to be expanding of the petition and the affidavit that is before you, Lordship. My lord, it is important that we stick to what is in the affidavit. For purposes of that is why we are here today. If we attempt to then expand it beyond what we agree, then we'll be prejudiced, etc., to be able to respond to the questions that are being raised. We must, I submit answer. I submit answer.
Your file affidavit
in this person. We have, on behalf of the Senate.
My Lord,
yes.
If I may respond, I would refer the court to paragraph 5 of the affidavit. Basically, the questions are formulated based on what unless they specifically state exactly what is new, my Lord, we request that you do allow the witness to proceed with his testimony.
Madam, laying a basis does not presume introducing new issues by way of evidence issue. It doesn't mean you then introduce new technical issues that we need to deal with. We would have to respond.
I think the way forward is, Ms. Waigura, you'll refer the witness to particular paragraphs of the affidavit.
You have the affidavit with you?
I do have it, Your Honor.
Okay. Please clarify what you meant under paragraph 5 of your affidavit.
Your Honor, paragraph 5 asks, based on my professional expertise. What do these symptoms mean? That, your Lordship, is what I understood. My answer to that is that, based on my experience, those type of symptoms, depending on the probability of disease, which depends on your risk factors, would imply that you could be having a heart attack.